Hello everyone, this is your biology teacher from your YouTube channel. Welcome back to your biology lectures of your chapter 8, that is cell, the unit of life. In last video lectures we have discussed about the endomembrane system, and the organelle comes in the endomembrane system. If you remember, we talk about the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and vacuoles and lysosomes. But now I am going to talk about a special type of cell organelle, that is mitochondria, and I will tell you why it is called the special type of cell organelle. Mitochondria are small organelles floating free throughout the cell. The number of mitochondria is totally depend upon the cell shape, size and its physiological activities, because mitochondria function as the energy production for the cell. If any cell needs lots of energy, then lots of mitochondria present in their structure. Like we can take an example of muscle cell. Muscle cells needs lots of energy because they carry out the physical physical activities. So muscle cell needs lots of energy, so they have lots of mitochondria in number. And in other side we can take another example like neuron cell, which don't need so much energy, so they don't have so many mitochondria. So it is totally depend upon the need of the cell, that how much it need energy. If any cell needs lots of energy, more energy, then it can produce more mitochondria, it can have more mitochondria than other cells. After that we can talk after that let's we talk about the mitochondria structure. Here you can see in this diagram a proper diagram of mitochondria and the different cell organelle inside it. It is like a prokaryotic cell structure. If you know about the prokaryotic cell structure, I told you it is like a prokaryotic cell structure, or in fact the mitochondria are the prokaryotic cell association inside the eukaryotic cell, because mitochondria have its own genetic material and the ribosomes present in it, and other cell organelles also like a prokaryotic cell. So we can say that it is a prokaryotic cell type association inside the eukaryotic cell, because it generates energy for the eukaryotic cell, the cell in which it is present, and the host cell provide it the shelter and the nutrients. So we can say that it is in association with the eukaryotic cell. Mitochondria are set perfectly to maximize their productivity. How? Because it contains two membrane system. They are double membrane system, as you can see, that is outer membrane, that is inner membrane. The outer membrane covers the organelle and contains it like a skin, outer covering, and the inner membrane fold over the many times and creates a layered structure called crusty, as you can see in this diagram. Here this folding is called crusty. The folding, as much as the folding as it provide the more surface area to the mitochondria. If there is presence of more surface area, then more energy is produced inside the cell, because it needs more space for their reactions, so it can provide the energy for the cell. So this folding of inner membrane help in increase the surface area of the mitochondria. The fluid contained in the mitochondria is called matrix. Here you can see the matrix. The fluid present inside the mitochondria is called matrix. After that, here you can also see the granule like structure. See it carefully. The granule like structure, these are called granules, which may help or control the concentration of ions. After that, the two membranes have their own specific enzyme associated with the mitochondrial function. Now, if we talk about the functions of this organelle, that is mitochondria, mitochondria are the sites of aerobic respiration for the cell. They produce cellular energy in the form of ATP. They break down, they act as a digestive system for the cell because they contain the digestive enzymes, and they break down the more and complex large complex molecule into the smaller and simple molecules and convert into an energy rich molecule, that is ATP. Hence they are called powerhouse of the cell. The matrix also possess single circular DNA that I mentioned, a few RNA molecule, ribosomes, and the component required for the synthesis of the protein. Now, if we talk about the reproduction of the mitochondria, how, as I told you, these are like a prokaryotic cell. So how they reproduce, how they divide? So they divides by the fission process. So here the function structures are complete of mitochondria. In next video we will discuss about the another cell organelle. Thank you.